As you know, Railways is always innovating and trying to find new solutions for the problems that we are facing. You have just saw the integrated track ITMS machine. That's a machine which measures the track parameters in great detail, the entire track profile, the track geometry, any differences in the sleeper spacing or any issues on the missing clips. All those things are very carefully measured by the ITMS machine. This is another machine that we have recently developed. This is an innovation. As you know, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji always inspires us to innovate and find new solutions to old problems. So in that endeavor, working with our railway engineers and working with our trackmen, gangmen, keymen, all the employees, we have developed this new rail-cum-road vehicle. This is a vehicle which will, on road, this will work on these tires. These are road tires. And when it goes onto the track, it will work on the these wheels. So these are track wheels, these are rail wheels. So in a sense, this will be able to navigate both on the track and off the track. You have seen the centuries old method of having a motor trolley. That motor trolley is basically pushed by people, it is removed, all kinds of safety risks are there. Now that system will be replaced by this rail-cum-road vehicle, and the people who want to inspect, the employees who will be inspecting the track for maintenance, they will be able to sit inside this motor trolley. They will be able to sit inside this, they will be able to inspect it properly. Then there are very high resolution equipment and cameras which are installed below. So they will be able to measure all the parameters. Simultaneously, we have also tried to innovate for one of the major problems that the trackmen and gangmen were facing. That is the problem of carrying a very heavy hammer for fitting the clips. So this hammer can now be stored in the vehicle itself. So you don't have to carry it on your trackmen don't have to carry it on the shoulders. Now this can be stored in the vehicle itself. This is an innovation. We will all the other equipment also, like the caution flags and all these other equipment, they are all stored inside the vehicle. We have designed and manufactured 2 such vehicles, which we will test for next 8-10 months and see what is the experience. And based on the experience, we'll make further improvements, and then we will do the series production. As you have seen, all our innovations, we start with 1 or 2 vehicles. For example, Namo Bharat train we have manufactured 2. Initially, Vande Bharat trains we manufactured 2. Amrit Bharat trains we have manufactured 2 of them. And basis the experience, we improve. We believe in the philosophy of Kaizen, which is continuous improvement.
দ্য সহজ পাঠ, সহজ কথা, সঠিক তথ্য।